For the 33rd problem on this first ACT practice test, we need to use this following information to answer this question and the next two after it. So Gianna is converting a 12-foot by 15-foot room in her house to a craft room. Gianna will install tile herself, but will have CC Installations build and install the cabinets. The scale drawing shown below displays the location of the cabinets in the craft room. 0.25 inch represents 2 feet. Cabinets will be installed along one of the 12-foot walls from floor to ceiling, and 4 cabinets that are each 3 feet tall will be installed in the middle of the room. These are the only cabinets that will be installed, and each of them will be 2 feet wide and 2 feet deep. CC Installations has given Gianna an estimate of $2,150 for building and installing the cabinets. For our particular problem, a 15-foot wall is how many inches long in the scale drawing? So to answer this, we just need to know the scale. And you can see it here that it's this 0.25 inches representing 2 feet. So let's write that. For our scale, that 0.25 inches is equal to 2 feet. Now the question is asking, how many inches long in the scale drawing would a 15-foot wall be? So we know 2 feet is 0.25 inches. So we need to figure out how many times 2 goes into 15. And if you just divide 15 by 2, you get 7.5. So out of this 15-foot wall, every 2 feet gives this 1/4 of an inch. So at 4 feet, it's a 1/2 inch. At 6 feet, it's 0.75 inches. At 8 feet, it's a whole inch. And essentially, what we just figured out here is that you multiply this 2 by 7.5 to get to 15. Or 2 feet fit into 15 feet 7.5 times. So to find the amount of inches in our scale drawing, since we multiply this 2 feet by 7.5 to get to 15, so let's write that down, that 15 feet here, we just multiplied by this 7.5. We would do the same thing with this 0.25. We would just multiply again by this 7.5. And 0.25 times 7.5, if you put that into the calculator, what you end up with is 1.875 inches. And that would be choice letter B here. So that is our final answer.